we are going to study about the other types, that is international economics. Apart from micro and macro, we studied about international economics. The word international itself, it tells what does it talks about. It talks about the trade and commerce. The international economics, we studied about how the trade is happening, how in the modern world nobody can live independently, isn't it? Everyone is dependent on others. Not only the individual, almost all the countries, they are depending on others for their needs. So, in this we studied about the trade, foreign direct investment, capital, foreign capital and investment, other things. We studied about mainly trade and investment, capital. All these things we study under the headings of international economics. So under this topic we studied about trade, how trade takes place between the countries, the export and import, terms of trade, balance of trade, everything we studied in the international economics. And the third topic is public economics. Micro, macro, international and public economics. The public economics nothing but the public finance, fiscal economics. And the another word is fiscal economics. What does it talks about? It talks about the government. Public means government. Here the public refers to government. So here we studied about the income and the revenue raised by the government. So in the public exam or the public economics or the fiscal economics, we studied about the income and the expenditure raised by the public authorities, and also the income or the revenue raised by the public authorities, and also the expenses which are made by the public authorities. For example, you studied about, you will study in further classes, you will studied about the trade cycle. During the trade cycle, the government has do investments. That we will study in public economics or fiscal economics. We studied about tax, income tax, wealth tax. These words you have heard, isn't it? So that type of taxation and other things we studied under fiscal economics. Public expenditure, revenue, public debt, federal finance, everything we study under the heading of public economics. And the next one is developmental economics. Developmental economics. What is developmental economics? In this chapter, we studied about HDI, Human Development Index, PCI, per capita income. These things we already have studied, I think so. Per capita income you have studied, isn't it? National income divided by population is called per capita income, you have studied. So these things we studied in developmental economics, HDI, Human Development Index, how human resources and other things, and economic, non-economic factors which are influencing the development, various growth models and strategies. Everything we study under the heading of developmental economics. And health economics. This is also very important, girls. Human development, human resources, development economics. We studied about health indicators, preventive and curative measures, medical research, education, rural health missions. That everything comes under the health economics, child health, maternity, budgetary allocation for the health, medicines and other things we studied. And the last we studied about environmental economics. This is also very important. As you have studied in the science, the pollution and other things, the things which are hazards, harmful to the human being, that we will study in environmental economics. So economics and its type, we studied various economics, that is micro, macro, international, public, developmental, health and environmental economics. Here we studied about the what natural resources, the depletion of the natural resources, how we are utilizing the allocation of natural resources, what is happening, natural hazards, how it is create a problem in the environment, and the need for the study of health, environmental economics. Everything we will study here. The interdisciplinary tools for the problem of ecology, economy, and the environment. Everything we studied in the environmental economics. The pollutions we studied, the harmful things, the hazards, environmental hazards, everything comes under the environmental economics. So these are the types of economics. And then the next class we will study the basic economic problem and the production possibility curve. Will you be able to understand, girls? What are the things today we learn? We learn the subdivisions of economics, that is 4. Consumption, production, exchange and distribution. And also the types of economics, that is microeconomics, macro, international, public, developmental, health and environmental. Will you be able to follow, girls? Will you be able to understand? So read the lesson thoroughly, only then you can understand. While you are listening the class, try to take down the notes, because I'll ask questions only from the video what I am giving you. From the video only I'll ask you questions. So watch the video carefully. If you come across any extra points, you have to take down in your notebook or else mark it in your book itself. Read the lesson, understand the meaning. If you have any doubt, you can ask me personally. Thank you, girls.